The final question in the electronic part is using L'Hopital's rule. We have done the same topic in the writing part, that's question number 20. But since question 15 is an electronic part, I'm going to use the shortcut methods. We'll use our calculators for this. All you need to do is type this given equation as it is in the calculator, that is x squared, this is the limit that is given, sorry, x plus 2 divided by x squared minus 4. Now when the limit is minus 2, let me write it out over here. You need to take two values which are very close to negative 2. It can be minus 1.999 and minus 2.0001. Now negative 2.001 is the lesser value. So I'd write before, and then greater value is minus 1.99. Whereas over here for 2 it is 1.999 and 2.0001. All you do here in the calculator is calc and then type the first value, whichever you can take, negative 1.999, and the answer is negative 2.25. It's negative 1/4. That's the quarter. And let me check at the right side as well. Minus 2.0001. Is it the same? Yes, it's negative 2.5. It's negative quarter. What about this one? Let's write it out. X squared minus 4 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2. And all we do is calculate it at now positive 1.999. We're getting over here 4. See, it's almost 4. And then calculate it at 2.0001. And over here we are just getting 4 because I put many zeros. But if you are just put, say, some zeros, you will get like this 4.001 or 3.999, something like that. So that is the answer. Very easy problems. Please do these by yourselves. Now let me do this one because it's infinity, isn't it? Same method, 3x squared plus 2 divided by x squared minus 4, and calculated at infinity means it's just a huge number. That's it. There is no minus infinity plus infinity. The answer is 3. Here, the same thing. We type the equation, whatever is given to us, x squared plus 4x plus 3. And now what do we do is we just calculate it at minus and a huge number for infinity. That is, see, now this one over here, minus 8, 10 to the power minus 8. It means there are 8 zeros here before 1. So it's minus 0.000. It's practically 0. So the answer is 0 here. Why? Because it's almost 0. Now here as well. Now here, you can try this by yourself. It's by shift and E. Then you can get the exponential function and then you can solve it up. Is 0 means it's minus 0.001 and positive 0.001 in your calc values. But what about this right side? The sign instead of t we'll put as x, and then we have shift e to the power 3x minus 1. Press next and then come down and write minus 1. I know in my class when students were solving, they write minus 1 here and they try to do the shortcut method. It doesn't work. You need to press next minus 1. Now it would work. Now calculate it at negative 0.0001. I'm going to get wrong answer here. This is not the correct answer. Why? Because I have trigonometric function and it is in degrees. This is wrong. You need to press mode and there is, shift and mode. Shift, mode, and option number 4. Now it's in radian. Now I can calculate at minus 0.0001. And this is the correct answer. It's 0.333. That's 1/3. Let's try it at the positive 0.001. 0.0001. And what is it? Again, it's 0.33. So it's 1/3. Why? Because if you put a lot of 3's in the calculator, automatically it gives you 1/3. Or you can do the easier way. You'll have 4 options. 1/3 is one of your options. Press equal to and then press SD. You'll get in decimal form. It's 0.33. So try these by yourselves, guys. Now over here, doesn't matter you have inverse function. Let me do that. It's sine, sorry, it's not cosine, it's sine x, close Okay, x, and then close the bracket, divided by sine inverse is given by shift and sine, then x, close the bracket. Now calculate it at 0.0001, you get 1, and you can also calculate it minus 0.0001, you're getting the same one. If at all you get two different answers, that means it does not exist. These are the same thing over here. You write 2 before x, and you can see the values. Now this is undefined. Let us just do this one. Why? Because cosine, it's shift and cosine, x, close the bracket. Over here it's x squared minus 1. Now calculate at what? Minus 0 point, let me take minus 1.0001. It's an error. Wow, okay, let me just take smaller values, minus 1.01. Now still an error. Why? Because it's undefined over there. Okay, now what if I take other value, calculate it at 0 minus 0.999. Over here I'm getting minus infinity, but one you're getting undefined value, and one more it becomes an error. So why? Because you're getting two different answers. We're not getting minus infinity in both the cases, right? So therefore we tell it's wrong. Okay, so that's the answer. So one, we are getting error, math error, which is undefined, and one more we are getting a big value. If you just keep on changing over here, minus 0 point, sorry, it's 0.009, sorry, it's 0.999. See here you're getting minus infinity. It goes to be a big value, but over there was error, so it's two different values. We tell it's undefined. But over here, generally you are getting values. Most of the time they will give you answers with values. You should just check and you'll get the answers. Tan, sine, everything can be easily put in the calculators. And that is the end of all the multiple choice questions. If you have found these videos helpful, please share it with your friends. Let them know about this channel Best Math, where you can find all the end of term exam questions and exam lessons explanation for free. And I just want to thank all the students who like my videos, who share my videos, and all the gratitude comments. I really thank you so much. Your comments really make my day. A single thank you always puts a big smile on my face. Thank you very much. And I wish you all the best in your exams. I hope everyone does well. If you have any doubts, any clarifications, please do post them in the comments and I will get back to you.